Project management data, tailoring, and business documents. During a project life cycle, a large amount of data and information is collected, analyzed, transformed, and distributed in different formats among project team members and other stakeholders. However, the terms data and information are often used interchangeably, and this can lead to confusion. Let us understand the difference. Work performance data is the raw observations and measurements identified during activities performed to carry out the project work. These are the actual numbers being maintained for the project. For example, 50% or 40% variance between the actual finish and planned finish of a task. Work performance information is the performance data collected from various controlling processes, analyzed in context and integrated based on relationships across areas. For example, the task is behind schedule by 10%. Work performance reports are the physical or electronic representation of work performance information compiled in project documents, intended to generate decisions or raise issues, actions, or awareness. For example, a dashboard showing the schedule is red. In the next screen, we will discuss project tailoring. Every project is unique and there is no one-size-fits-all. The project manager needs to select appropriate project management processes, inputs, tools, techniques, outputs, life cycle phases to manage a project effectively. This selection activity is referred to as tailoring project management. The project manager collaborates with stakeholders during the tailoring process. The project manager should tailor the project processes according to the project's environment, size, complexity, importance, capability, and risk. The project manager needs to manage certain considerations while tailoring, such as competing project constraints of scope, schedule, cost, resources, quality, and risk. The importance of each constraint is different for each project, and the project manager tailors the approach for managing these constraints based on the project environment, organizational culture, stakeholder needs, and other variables. In tailoring project management, the project manager should also consider the varying levels of governance that may be required and within which the project will operate, as well as considering the culture of the organization. Additionally, consideration of whether the customer of the project is internal or external to the organization may affect project management tailoring decisions. In the next screen, we will discuss project management business documents. As a project manager, you need to ensure that the project management approach captures the intent of business documents. A project business case is a documented economic feasibility study used to establish the validity of the benefits of a selected component lacking sufficient definition, and that is used as a basis for the authorization of further project management activities. The business case document provides the basis to measure success and progress throughout the project life cycle by comparing the results with the objectives and identified success criteria. Project Benefits Management Plan is the documented explanation defining the processes for creating, maximizing, and sustaining the benefits provided by a project. The project business case and the benefits management plan are developed and maintained throughout the life cycle of the project. Although the project sponsor is generally accountable for the development and maintenance of the project business case document, you, as a project manager, should ensure that the project documents capture the business reasoning behind the project initiation. The project manager is responsible for providing recommendations and oversight to keep the project business case and project benefits management plan success measures in alignment with one another and with the goals and objectives of the organization. In the next slide, we will discuss project charter and project management plan. The project charter is defined as a document issued by the project sponsor that formally authorizes the existence of a project and provides the project manager with the authority to apply organizational resources to project activities. Simply put, a project charter is the official document that authorizes a project. The project management plan is defined as the document that describes how the project will be executed, monitored, and controlled.